In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Discord on Windows. If you're switching computers, sharing a device, or just want a clean start the next time you open the app, logging out is quick and easy. Keep in mind, logging out is different from simply closing the app. Closing the window keeps you signed in, while logging out will take you back to the sign-in screen and stop the session on this Windows device. Start by opening the Discord app on your Windows computer. Look to the very bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. This is the Settings button. Click that gear to open your user settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your personal preferences, account details, and advanced options, but we only need it for a moment. Once the settings page opens, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This long list includes sections like account information, privacy, notifications, and more. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this sidebar. There, you'll find the logout option. It usually appears in a different color to stand out, making it easy to spot once you've reached the end of the list. Click Logout. After you click, Discord will ask you to confirm. This quick prompt is simply there to prevent accidental signouts. If you're sure you want to end your session on this device, confirm the action. As soon as you do, Discord will close your current session and bring you back to the sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that the logout worked. If you change your mind, you can cancel at this prompt and remain signed in. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the gear icon, make sure your Discord window isn't too small or cropped. Maximizing the window often reveals the full layout. If the sidebar seems long, don't worry. Just keep scrolling until you reach the bottom. And remember, logging out on Windows only signs you out from this specific app. It doesn't affect Discord sessions on other devices. The next time you open Discord here, you'll need to sign in again. And if you use additional security like two-factor authentication, have your method ready. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar, choose Logout, and confirm. Simple, fast, and done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.